Bonjour, c'est Virginie and you are watching French Truly TV, your destination to truly become a little bit French. Well, I haven't posted a video with me in a while, so it's really nice to be back. What did I do instead? Rien. Kidding. Well, I posted testimonial videos of wonderful students who attended my immersion courses, and I've been writing all in French, you should go read it, a mini simplified French diary with lots of episodes about my recent adventures in Seattle and in London directly on my blog. Once again, it's all in easy French, so great practice for you. So, if you receive my free blog post, then you've been reading the French diaries. And if you don't, well, you need to sign up, adding the FrenchTruly.com link below. Today, I'm starting a brand new kind of videos, something I've never done before. So, let me introduce you to the very first Virginie's word of the day. Ta-da! Et le mot du jour est pamplemousse. Pamplemousse. Why pamplemousse, you may ask? Because a few weeks ago, I asked on my French Truly Facebook page what your favorite French words were. And for some reason, many of you said pamplemousse. That's a grapefruit, by the way. Today's video is a little longer because it's the first one, but the format going forward will be: first, the word, le mot. Second, 3 sentences, 3 phrases, to put the word in context. And third, when applicable, you'll get a little bonus, such as an idiom or a synonym. Got it? C'est parti. 1. Le mot. A grapefruit. Un pamplemousse. Un pamplemousse. 2. Les phrases. Hi, I'd like a grapefruit juice, please. Bonjour, je voudrais un jus de pamplemousse, s'il vous plaît. Bonjour, je voudrais un jus de pamplemousse, s'il vous plaît. Grapefruit is a bitter fruit. Le pamplemousse est un fruit amer. Le pamplemousse est un fruit amer. We always like to add a few pieces of grapefruit in our salads. Nous aimons toujours ajouter quelques morceaux de pamplemousse dans nos salades. Nous aimons toujours ajouter quelques morceaux de pamplemousse dans nos salades. Et voilà! Not only do you know le mot pamplemousse, but you also know how to use it in everyday conversations. What about you? What's your favorite French word that I can feature on future Word of the Day videos? If you enjoy this video, please like and share it with your Francophile friends. And don't forget to subscribe to French Truly TV and come join me on my website, FrenchTruly.com, where you can sign up for your free 3-step mini course to help you become a little bit French. Merci beaucoup, au revoir et gros bisous. Mouah!